Hello, welcome back. Today we discuss about virtual reality. What is virtual reality? How virtual reality works? What are the characteristics of virtual reality? What are the advantages and disadvantages of virtual reality? Examples of virtual reality. Virtual reality VR is a technology that creates an immersive and interactive computer generated environment, simulating the physical presence and sensory experiences of a user in a digital or imaginary world. VR typically involves the use of specialized hardware such as VR headsets and software to provide a multi-sensory experience. How virtual reality works. Headset and display. VR headsets are worn by users and they contain displays that present images to each eye separately. This creates a stereoscopic effect that gives the illusion of depth and 3D space. Tracking and sensors. Sensors in the headset and external sensors such as cameras or motion sensors track the user's head movements and positions in real time. This tracking data is used to adjust the view accordingly, allowing users to look around the virtual environment. Input devices. VR systems often include controllers or other input devices that allows users to interact with the virtual world. These devices can track hand movements and gestures, enabling users to manipulate objects and perform actions. Computer processing. A powerful computer processes the VR content and renders it in real time. The computers calculates the visual and auditory information needed to create the immersive experience. Audio. 3D audio technology provides spatial sound cues that enhance the feeling of immersion by allowing users to hear sounds from different directions and distances. Characteristics of virtual reality. Immersion. VR aims to fully immerse users in a digital environment, making them feel like they are physically present in that world. Interactivity. Users can interact with and manipulate objects within the virtual environment, enhancing engagement and agency. Sensory simulation. VR engages multiple senses, including sight and hearing, and sometimes even touch and smell, to create a more convincing experience. 3D spatial representation. VR provides a sense of depth and three-dimensional space, allowing users to perceive distances and sizes. Advantages of virtual reality. Training and education. VR can simulate dangerous or complex scenarios for training purposes, such as medical procedures, flight simulations, and military training. Immersive entertainment. VR offers a new level of immersion in gaming, movies, and other forms of entertainment. Architectural visualization. VR can help architects and designers visualize and experience their creations before they are built. Therapeutic applications. VR is used in therapy to treat phobias, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and other mental health conditions. Disadvantages of virtual reality. Cost. High quality VR equipment can be expensive, including the headset, controllers, and a powerful computer to run the VR content. Motion sickness. Some users may experience motion sickness or discomfort due to the sensory mismatch between the virtual and real environments. Isolation. Prolonged use of VR can lead to social isolation as users become engrossed in the virtual world, potentially affecting the real world relationships. Health concerns. Extended VR use may cause eye strain, fatigue, and other health issues, particularly if breaks and proper precautions are not taken. Limited realism. While VR technology has advanced, it may still fall short of replicating the full range of sensory experiences and realism found in the physical world. Content limitations. The availability of high quality VR content may be limited compared to traditional media. Virtual reality is a rapidly evolving technology with the potential to revolutionize various industries and experiences, but it also comes with challenges that need to be addressed for its widespread adoption and safe use. Examples of virtual reality. Virtual reality VR has a wide range of applications across various industries and experiences. Here are some examples of how VR is used. Gaming and entertainment. 1. VR gaming. Players can immerse themselves in a fully 3D gaming environments, interacting with characters and objectives as if they were inside the game. 2. Virtual theme parks. VR amusement parks offer experiences such as virtual roller coasters and interactive attractions. 3. Cinematic VR. Immersive movies and storytelling experiences where users can explore the narrative from different angles. Education and training. 1. Medical training. Surgeons can practice complex procedures in a risk-free virtual environment. 2. Flight simulators. Pilots and aviation enthusiasts can practice flying in realistic cockpit simulations. 3. Simulated environments. Training for firefighters, military personnel, and law enforcement in hazardous situations. 4. Historical and cultural exploration. Students can explore historical sites and cultural landmarks from around the world. Architecture and design. 1. Architectural visualization. Architects and designers can create virtual walkthroughs of buildings and spaces before construction begins. 2. Interior design. Clients can visualize and experience room layouts and design options in 3D. Healthcare and therapy. 1. Exposure therapy. VR can be used to treat phobias, anxiety disorders, and PTSD by gradually exposing patients to triggering stimuli. 2. Pain management. VR distraction techniques can help reduce pain perception during medical procedures. Real estate and tourism. 1. Virtual property tours. Real estate agents can offer virtual tours of properties to potential buyers. 2. Virtual travel. Users can experience virtual vacations and explore destinations before booking a trip. Engineering and manufacturing. 2. Prototyping and product design. Engineers can visualize and test product designs in a virtual environment before manufacturing. 2. Assembly line planning. Manufacturing processes can be simulated and optimized in VR. Social interaction. 1. Virtual hangouts. Users can meet and socialize with friends in virtual worlds, playing games or engaging in activities together. 2. Virtual meetings. Remote teams can collaborate in shared virtual spaces, enhancing communication and teamwork. Art and creativity. 1. 3D art creations. Artists can sculpt and paint in three-dimensional space, allowing for new creative possibilities. 2. Music and performance. Musicians and performers can create unique virtual concerts and experiences. Fitness and wellness. 1. Virtual fitness classes. Users can engage in exercise routines led by the virtual instructors in immersive environments. 2. Mindfulness and meditation. Guided relaxation and meditation experiences in serene virtual settings. These are just a few examples of how virtual reality is being used across various domains. As technology continues to advance, the potential of VR applications is continually expanding, transforming the way we interact with digital content and the real world. Conclusion. In conclusion, virtual reality VR represents a remarkable technological advancement that has transcended the traditional boundaries and revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with digital content and our environment. Through its immersive and interactive capabilities, VR has opened up a realm of possibilities across diverse fields, enhancing education, entertainment, training, healthcare, design, and more. As we continue to explore and harness the potential of VR, it becomes increasingly clear that this technology has the power to reshape industries, foster innovation, and enrich our lives in profound ways. The characteristics of virtual reality, including its ability to create immersion, interactivity, sensory simulation, and spatial representation, have paved the way for entirely new experiences that bridge the gap between the physical and digital worlds. VR's application in areas like gaming, medical training, architectural visualization, and therapeutic inventions highlights its versatility and adaptability to a wide range of scenarios. However, it is essential to acknowledge both the advantages and disadvantages of virtual reality. While VR offers unparalleled opportunities for learning, creativity, and entertainment, it also comes with challenges such as cost, potential health concerns, and need to balance virtual experiences with real-world interactions. As technology continues to advance, virtual reality holds the promise of becoming an even more integral part of our lives. Its evolution may bring forth even more realistic and immersive experiences along with solutions to existing limitations. The journey of virtual reality is a testament to human innovation and our constant pursuit of expanding the boundaries of what is possible. Whether it's stepping into a fantastical virtual realm, training for a critical task, or connecting with others across distances, virtual reality has indeed ushered in a new era of transformative experiences and boundless potential. Thanks for